how's everybody doing? I have got a long weekend planned. I took some time off of work so that I could stay home and do a staycation. My cat is rubbing my tripod. Sorry if that moved it. So today I have plans with a friend of mine. We are, depending on the rain, we're either going to go to a lavender farm and maybe do a little painting and have lunch, that kind of thing. If it's rainy, we're probably going to stay in and play around with gel plates. So I really want to do both things. I am just excited actually to have friend time and chat and be silly. I love it. The rest of the week I need to work in my friend's sketchbook. I have 15 episodes planned out, and I think I just finished episode 8. Yes, episode 8, which I love. I can't wait for everyone to see it. It's ridiculous, and I think I said that many times in the recording of it, but I love it. So number 9 is coming up. I want to do 3 this weekend. 4 would be awesome, but I want to do 3 minimum. I think I can squeeze those in if I do 1 per day and the editing and everything. I think I can do it. But I also want to play with my jelly plates, and that's even if I get to do that today with Lindsay, I would like to do that on my own because I want to see how it goes in my art space, which is a complete disaster. A disaster. I need to clean it up. I got my acrylic paints out because I wanted to try painting on a jelly plate print that we got last time. It was a little piece of acrylic that I used as a palette to stamp on. And so I had really pretty iridescent colors on there, and I was putting my stamp on there and then putting the stamp on the jelly plate, and it was fun. But at the end, Lindsay said, hey, I don't want to waste that. Let's print it. Let's put some red down and put it on a book page. It turned out really cool. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. And then I woke up one day and decided on a flamingo. And oh my God, I love it so much. The shimmer is just unbelievable. And the color is just awesome. I used Liquitex paints and golden, mainly golden paints actually on this one. Gorgeous. I love it so much. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. And then I just use Mod Podge to get it in there. I have a video, check it out. It's a time lapse, so it's only, I don't know, 12, 13 minutes. I'm going to do more of this. Maybe not all in the little wooden shadow box, but I want to do more of this. And it's funny because I struggle sleeping at night sometimes because I can't turn off my head. And since doing the jelly print, actually since doing the friend sketchbook, since the excitement of starting that, which I still have, but then also this creative outlet has also kept my head just going at night. It just goes and goes, and I have so many ideas. I try to write them all down. Actually, I have a book somewhere in this junk. I have a book of ideas for videos, for blog ideas, which I'm behind on, plein air spots I want to go to. One of the ideas is to put a plein air print on this ugly cover. I should just do that. So many ideas. I am loving this. I hope y'all love it too. I think I'm gonna clean off my table now and organize it and figure out what stuff I want to take with me to maybe jelly plate print, and make sure I have my plein air bag all set up in case we do that instead. So here we go. It's a mess. It's a mess. Okay, so first I have my acrylic paints in here. I do need to restock these, so I probably need to look through them another day. I'll look through them. I also have some golden fluid paints, which I think will be fun for jelly printing, but I'm not going to take them today. So there's that. this is all jelly plate stuff. I made this cute little stamp out of foam and cardboard. I think it's adorable. I'm going to take that today just in case. And this one. And then I found these adorable little cutouts at the dollar store. And I made a couple stamps out of those. I don't know how well they're going to work. I don't know if you can really see that, or if it's really focusing, honestly. That one might be able to see a little bit better. I'm going to try those. Also, there was a little key, and I thought it would be really cute to have the owl sitting on the key. And then I just made a texture stamp out of cardboard, so I could just stamp it down and put on my jelly plate. And then the top of my vitamin bottle I stamped into there to see how that would work. If I could stamp it on my palette and then put on my jelly plate. I also tried in a couple different pieces of foam, so I'm not sure how those will work either. These are pieces that I was saving to make stamps, so I have pieces of cardboard so I can cut out the foam and adhere them to the cardboard. I'm really interested in trying that, so I think I need to get a box for that. Here's the vitamin bottle. Maybe I'll take that with me in case the stamps don't work. No, I'm going to leave it here. That's ridiculous. You don't need it. You don't need to take it. A little shower thingy for texture. Cute. Oh, so much stuff. All of this is for jelly plate. So I have my new print, or my new plates. And then I have a stencil idea I want to cut out. And then here is my stack of jelly plate prints that I haven't done anything with yet. I'm thinking of putting this one on the front of my idea book, maybe. From the dollar store, I got a little collapsible storage box, so I'm going to put all this stuff in that. Okay, so stamp and texture items are in here. And then I'll put those that I'm taking with me in another box. I have an empty box right here, so that'll go with me today. And I'm also taking my jelly plates. So this is the Go With Me box. And these go on the shelf over here. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's better. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's better. I have stuff tucked away. Tomorrow I can come up here right there and start working on my Friends episodes. That's also where I do some administrative work during the day for my art. It's dark over there, but there we go. There is some storage that I have. I have a thing right there that I can put a lot of stuff in. And I always have my charts on the wall, and I refer to them all the time. So thank you for joining me today. Hopefully you found this, a little entertaining. Maybe you worked on cleaning up your space, or maybe you washed dishes while you listen to this. That's typically what I do. I do the dishes when I watch videos like this. So thanks, and I look forward to being productive this weekend. Hope you enjoy your weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.